Imagine gazing up at the night sky, but there's something missing. The familiar glow that has guided sailors, inspired poets, and been a constant companion to humanity for millennia is absent. The moon, our familiar celestial neighbor, is gone, vanished. Its absence is more than just a visual void, it signifies a profound change in the very fabric of our existence. What might seem at first like a simple cosmic curiosity would actually unleash chaos on Earth. The moon's gravitational pull is a silent architect of our world, orchestrating the rhythms of the oceans and the stability of our climate. The moon is more than just a pretty face in the sky. It's a guardian of our planet, a stabilizer of our environment, and a key player in the delicate balance that sustains life on Earth. It's a powerful force that shapes our planet in ways we rarely consider. The gravitational dance between the Earth and the moon creates the tides which are crucial for marine life and coastal ecosystems. From the ebb and flow of tides to the stability of our seasons, the moon's influence is profound. The tides, driven by the moon, help to regulate the Earth's rotation and maintain the tilt of our planet's axis. Without the moon, our world would be a vastly different place. Tides would weaken, leading to stagnant oceans and disrupted marine life. Coastal areas would face new challenges as the natural ebb and flow of water diminishes. Our planet's axis would wobble, causing dramatic shifts in climate and weather patterns. The stability that we take for granted would be replaced by unpredictability and chaos, and the length of our days would change. The moon's gravitational pull slows down the Earth's rotation, giving us the 24-hour day we're accustomed to. Without it, days would become shorter, altering the natural rhythms of life. It would be a world of extremes, with unpredictable seasons and a climate in constant flux. The moon's presence acts as a stabilizing force, ensuring that our planet remains hospitable to life. But before we delve into the chaos, let's take a closer look at the moon's many roles and understand just what we would lose if it were to disappear. The moon's influence extends beyond the physical. It has shaped human culture, mythology, and our understanding of the cosmos. Its cycles have guided agricultural practices, inspired art and literature, and even influenced our calendars. The moon is a silent witness to the history of our planet and the evolution of life. Its disappearance would not only disrupt the natural world, but also leave a void in the human experience, a loss of a celestial companion that has been with us since the dawn of time. The moon's gravity is the primary conductor of Earth's oceanic symphony, the tides. This gravitational pull is a force that has shaped our planet's waters for eons, creating a rhythmic dance that is both predictable and mesmerizing. Just as the moon pulls on the Earth, it also pulls on the water, creating bulges on the side facing the moon and the side facing away. These bulges are the high tides, and they follow the moon as it orbits our planet. The gravitational interaction between the Earth and the moon is a delicate balance, a cosmic tug-of-war that results in the ebb and flow of our oceans. As the Earth spins, these bulges travel across our planet, causing high tides in the areas where they occur and low tides in the areas between. This constant movement of water is not just a natural phenomenon. It has profound effects on marine life, coastal ecosystems, and even human activities. Fishermen, sailors, and coastal communities have long relied on the predictability of tides for navigation, fishing, and daily life. It's a delicate dance between Earth, moon, and water, a dance that has played out for billions of years. This ancient rhythm has shaped the very contours of our coastlines, carving out bays, estuaries, and tidal flats. The interplay of gravitational forces has also influenced the behavior of countless species, from the smallest plankton to the largest whales, all of whom have adapted to the changing tides. The sun also plays a role in this celestial ballet, but its influence is weaker. While the sun's gravitational pull is significant, it is the moon's proximity to Earth that makes it the dominant force in tidal movements. However, when the gravitational forces of the sun and moon combine, their effects are magnified. When the sun and moon align their gravitational forces during a full or new moon, we experience the highest high tides and lowest low tides. These are known as spring tides, and they occur twice a month. During these times, the tidal range is at its greatest, leading to dramatic changes in water levels that can expose new areas of the shoreline and submerge others. These are called spring tides. Conversely, when the sun and moon are at right angles to each other, we experience nap tides, where the difference between high and low tide is minimal. This intricate dance of celestial bodies and ocean waters is a testament to the interconnectedness of our natural world, a reminder of the forces that shape our planet and our lives. Now let's dive into the bustling world of our oceans. Countless marine creatures, from tiny crabs to giant whales, have evolved to live in sync with the rhythm of the tides. Coastal ecosystems depend on the regular ebb and flow of water. Intertidal zones, those areas exposed at low tide and submerged at high tide, are teeming with life adapted to this unique environment. Imagine the disruption if the moon vanished. Tides would weaken, throwing these delicately balanced ecosystems into disarray. The consequences for marine life would be devastating. Let's shift our focus from the oceans to the very tilt of our planet. Earth spins on its axis, but it doesn't spin perfectly upright. It's tilted at about 23.5 degrees. This tilt is what gives us our seasons. As Earth orbits the sun, different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. When the northern hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, it's summer there, while the southern hemisphere experiences winter. But what keeps our planet tilted at this precise angle? You guessed it, the moon. The moon's gravity acts like an invisible hand, stabilizing Earth's tilt and preventing it from wobbling too much. Section 5, Seasons Gone Wild. Now imagine a world without the moon's stabilizing influence. Earth's tilt would become erratic, shifting dramatically over time. What would this mean for our seasons? Chaos. Instead of the predictable cycle of spring, summer, fall and winter, we would experience extreme and unpredictable climate swings. Some regions might experience scorching summers followed by frigid winters, while others might see drastic shifts in rainfall patterns leading to floods or droughts. The consequences for life on Earth would be profound, as plants and animals struggle to adapt to the ever-changing conditions. Section 6, the slowing dance of Earth and Moon. Let's journey back in time, way back. Imagine a time when the Earth was a very different place. Billions of years ago, when Earth was young, our days were much shorter. The planet was a wild and untamed place with volcanic activity and a primordial atmosphere. How short? Try a day lasting only about 6 hours. That's right, the Earth spun much faster on its axis, making the day and night cycle incredibly rapid. What caused this dramatic slowdown? The moon, our closest celestial neighbor, has had a profound impact on our planet. The gravitational interaction between Earth and Moon creates a sort of cosmic friction. This gravitational pull is responsible for the ocean tides we see every day. This friction, acting over eons, has gradually slowed our planet's rotation, lengthening our days to the familiar 24 hours we know and love. Imagine the slow but steady change, like a cosmic clock ticking away. But this slowing process is ongoing. Even now, the Earth's rotation continues to decelerate, albeit at an imperceptibly slow rate. As Earth's rotation slows, the Moon gradually moves further away from us. This is due to the conservation of angular momentum, a fundamental principle of physics. It's a slow and stately celestial dance measured in centimeters per year. Over millions of years, these small changes add up, altering the dynamics of our planet and its satellite. Ancient astronomers were already aware of the Moon's influence on Earth, though they couldn't measure it as precisely as we can today. Their observations laid the groundwork for our modern understanding. Today, with advanced technology, we can measure the Moon's distance from Earth with incredible accuracy. We know that the Moon is moving away at a rate of about 3.8 centimeters per year. What does the future hold for this celestial dance? In billions of years, the Earth's rotation will slow even further, and the Moon will be much farther away. This will have profound effects on our planet's tides and possibly even its climate. The Earth and Moon's relationship is a testament to the intricate and ever-changing nature of our universe. It's a reminder of how interconnected everything is, from the smallest particles to the largest celestial bodies. So the next time you look up at the Moon, remember that it's not just a distant rock in the sky, it's a partner in a slow cosmic dance that has shaped our world in ways we are only beginning to understand. Section 7. A day in the life of a speeding Earth. Now, let's fast forward to a moonless future. With the Moon's braking influence gone, Earth would begin to spin faster. Our days would shorten, Perhaps not back to the dizzying 6 hours of our planet's youth, but enough to disrupt our lives and the natural world. Imagine the consequences: shorter days and nights, faster weather patterns, and a whole new rhythm to life on Earth. Would we adapt? Perhaps. But it would be a challenging adjustment for life as we know it. Section 8. The Moon, our silent guardian. As we've seen, the Moon's presence is essential for life on Earth. It governs our tides, stabilizes our planet's tilt, and even influences the length of our days. It's a silent guardian, a cosmic force that has shaped our planet and its life for billions of years. Without the Moon, our world would be a chaotic and inhospitable place, a stark reminder of the delicate balance that sustains life as we know it. So the next time you gaze up at the Moon, take a moment to appreciate its quiet power and the profound influence it has on our world. Section 9, A Sky Without a Friend. But there's something else we would lose if the Moon disappeared, a sense of wonder. The Moon has been our companion since Earth's formation, a source of inspiration for poets, artists, and dreamers throughout history. Imagine a sky without the Moon's gentle glow, without its ever-changing phases, without its silent watch over our world. It would be a lonelier sky, a sky missing a familiar friend. So let us cherish our Moon, not just for its scientific importance, but for its beauty, its mystery, and its enduring place in our collective imagination.